You are looking at a Hawksbill sea turtle. Watch as it glides effortlessly through the current. These ancient voyagers are critical to the reef's health. They use their narrow beaks to forage for sponges tucked deep within the coral crevices. This is a world of constant motion. From the jagged branches of staghorn coral to the massive mounds of brain coral, every inch of the reef is a bustling neighborhood. Thousands of species, like these dark triggerfish and darting dam shellfish, rely on this intricate architecture for both protection and sustenance. Above the coral canopy, schools of blue and gold fusiliers move in perfect synchronization. For these small foragers, there is safety in numbers. By grouping together, they create a shimmering wall of color that confuses predators, allowing them to graze safely on the nutrient-rich plankton drifting in the open water. The Hawksbill turtle's shell is beautiful. It's that same shell makes them a target for poachers. Despite being critically endangered, these resilient reptiles continue their slow-motion journey, navigating thousands of miles of open ocean to lay eggs at their birthplace. This is a hammerhead shark. A massive school of convict tangs moves like a single organism. Often called the reef's lawnmowers, these herbivorous grazers perform an essential service. By constantly nibbling on algae, they prevent it from competing with the coral for sunlight, ensuring the foundation of the reef remains strong and productive. This is a reef shark. It glides effortlessly through the ocean, searching the coral reef for an easy meal. These are common predators that reef fish must deal with each and every day. California sea lions display remarkable agility. Unlike the slow, methodical movements of the reef's reptiles, seals are pure energy. Their playful acrobatics aren't just for fun. They are essential for honing the hunting skills needed to thrive in these competitive waters. The tiger shark is the ultimate predator. Notice the tiger-style stripes along its flanks. This formidable hunter plays a vital role in preventing overgrazing. By preying upon sea turtles and species that eat the seagrass and coral, they ultimately protect the entire ecosystem. The reef is a masterpiece of biological architecture, a dense city where every surface is alive. Here, thousands of grunts and snappers find shelter within the coral branches, creating a shimmering tapestry of life that sustains the ocean's great diversity. Sea turtles are a testament to the reef's enduring strength. For millions of years, these gorgeous creatures have been a vital link in the marine food web, reminding us that every creature, no matter how ancient, has a specific role to play in this delicate balance. As we look across this living tapestry, the sheer scale of biodiversity is staggering. Thousands of fish, from shimmering grunts to colorful snappers, find refuge among the branching corals. This is not just a collection of animals. It is a complex, self-sustaining city where every resident contributes to the survival of the whole. But these vibrant sanctuaries are under threat. Rising temperatures and ocean acidification are pushing these ecosystems to their limits. Protecting our coral reefs is not just about saving beautiful fish like these anthias. It is about preserving the very life support systems of our planet for generations to come.